We're flying over the site of the ancient monastery of Deer, a place where the story of Scotland wasn't just told, it was finally written down. Here is a whistle-stop tour of a hidden piece of history that dates back over 1,000 years. This monument marks the exact spot where the local language first met the page. Starting over 1,000 years ago, monks scribbled Gaelic notes in the empty gaps around the edges of a prayer book, turning a religious text into a living record of the people who actually lived here. The original book might be in a library in Cambridge now, but its spirit is still right here in the soil. It's a reminder that even a tiny book can leave a massive mark on the world. If you're ever passing through Mintlaw and New Deer, then it's certainly worth taking a look. It feels very peaceful here. And there's no charge to visit, which is a bonus. If you want to see some other drone videos, make sure you hit the sub button where I fly around the Aberdeenshire countryside and coastal towns. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.